Can I just show you how good my starter is? It's like day 8. Look at that. I'm going to do my first loaf of sourdough bread. So I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of this starter in my bowl. Okay, I added 1 and 3/4 cup of warm water. And now I'm going to start with my flour. Okay, 3 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of regular all-purpose flour. Use what you got. I mean, if that's all you have is all-purpose, use it. If you have bread flour, use that. So, but that's my concoction today. And I'm going to put my mixer on and mix it till it comes together. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. I poured some of my starter out because you could tell it was so much. I wish you guys lived near me so I could give you some sourdough starter because she's good. She's really bubbly and delightful. But I'm going to feed it. So I'm going to give her, I think I'm going to do 1/2 cup of warm water. And I do about a little bit more than 1/2 cup of flour because you like it to be really thick. You see how thick that is? Like pancake batter. So that's how I started. If it's too thick, I'll add a little bit more warm water, but that's what I do. And then I put on my lid and leave her sit until either I'll feed her again before bed or in the morning. There she is. Now I'm going to leave her sit with a damp, warm towel on top for 30 minutes, hour, depending. And then I'll add some salt, mix it in, and then we're going to go into like stretching and the rising. And here is, I know it's kind of hard to see, here's my mix. Now, you can see I got to clean the side of my jars, but tomorrow I'll transfer it to a new jar. I'll clean it up right now, put the lid on, leave her sit, and then she'll be good. Now, I'll make chicken for dinner with tomatoes and that kind of stuff. If I remember, I'll show you it when it comes out, but I'll try my best. So we're just going to let her sit. And then tomorrow I'll do a video of once she's ready to be cooked, baked, and all that fun stuff. Okay. So here, I just wanted to show you guys. This is my rise I got on my sourdough. And you can see, look at these beautiful bubbles. And I'm going to punch her down one more time, do the same thing. Going to cover it with the plastic wrap, a warm wet towel, leave it rise, and tomorrow I'm going to bake it. That'll be a separate video, but I just want to show you guys how it rose up real nice.